Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to open your first Big E-Z Spreadsheet template. And what you want to do is be in a blank Google sheet, and make sure that you are signed in to only one account. If you're signed into more, it'll say sign out of all accounts down here. But as you can see, I'm signed into one. And then you want to go to Extensions, Big E-Z Accounting, Invoicing, and click on Open First Spreadsheet. Now you will want to fill out this pop-up screen with at least your name and the date, start date and year-end date, and then pick a list of categories. You can always go back and change the categories at a later time, and then you can click on Submit. And once you do that, there'll be a pop-up with a link right in the center of this page. Once you click on the link, it will open up your template. Now is a good time to bookmark the link that's up on top of this screen, and so you'll be able to find it easily next time. And that is it. Thank you for watching.